that you're doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is
So good morning. Today is a wonderful Saturday in Copenhagen. Just want to tell you about this hack I discovered last time when I was in Copenhagen. It's a hack more like it says a lot about their lifestyle and how they want to help others, and they always look for ways to stop wasting resources, and in this case they are trying to stop wasting food, and they have this app which is called Too Good To Go, and basically they have a bunch of restaurants and hotels with restaurants from the city that are signed in the app, and after they finish their schedule and they have to close, they always have some extra food leftovers, which is basically really good food, but it was not sold that day for whatever reason. And they sign in the app, they say like, we have 5 extra portions of food, and you pay like a really small fee just to get the extra food, and you get like a portion of really good food for just maybe, I don't know, 3 times less, 4 times less than the usual price of the food. So basically it's a really good deal. Today we went to this hotel. It had a very good, nice breakfast buffet, and I was handed a box, for a food box, and I was able to get whatever I wanted from the table or the buffet. It was really nice and really good, and yeah, truly recommend it. Today we already visited Natural History Museum in Copenhagen, which is okay. It's not exactly my favorite natural history museum, but you know, it's okay. Top of the day is the Rosenborg Castle. Actually, this is one of their most impressive landmarks. Is a 17th century castle. This is where they store the crown jewels and have plenty of rooms dedicated to their many royalties. They have like a bunch of royals. They still have a queen monarchy. Okay, this is what it is. So we have to wait for just 10 more minutes, because you get a time slot to get inside the castle, probably to prevent from overcrowding the place, and we are waiting. Obviously this too is included with our Copenhagen card, so definitely buy your card if you're visiting Copenhagen and you want to visit as many touristic sites as possible. Yes, it's really interesting. What happened to the toilet?
Someone's coming to fix it tomorrow. Brad? Bring me my brad. My chair.